Hello, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I'm going to show you what is validating status means in MindsEye game. Validating means that your Steam is just checking up all your files and checking integrity of all files of this game. If you wanna try to validate all your files, just click on settings button and then properties, installed files, and here find verify integrity of files, and after that you will see validating status. If you have validating boot loop, so validating runs and then it just resets and starts again, it means that you should just backup game files, uninstall game and install it again, and after that you'll solve all your validating problems. That's it, thanks for watching, hope this video was helpful, bye.